The P-Quip rod assembly consists of 3 pieces: a crosshead extension or pony rod, a release link and a piston link. Unlike OEM type rods, the P-Quip pony rod has a plain end and is very robust. The tough polypropylene splash shield simply snaps into a groove. The end connectors of the stainless steel release link fit into recesses in the ends of the pony rod and the piston link and are held in place by transverse stainless steel pins. Since the end connectors are held inwards by powerful springs, they have to be pumped out hydraulically to allow the transverse holes to line up with those in the pony rods and piston links. The pins then readily drop into place. Note that one of the pins carries the liner flushing pipe. The hydraulic pump is attached very easily to the release link by a balanced type push-in connector with O-ring seals. The movement of the end connectors of the release link being pumped out hydraulically against the springs can clearly be seen. Components are available for commonly used makes of mud pumps and for specials on request. The P-Quip valve and strainer cap systems are similar but not identical in their method of operation to the liner retention system, but the requirements are slightly different. The caps need much more clamping force but less movement. Installation, as with liner retention systems, simply involves fitting and torquing up the cap screws to the values given in the operating instructions. The seal retainer or inner plug is then placed with its seal into the module, and the locking plug placed on top with its lugs over the rods. A hydraulic pump is used to pressurize the rod pistons to a figure of 10,000 pounds per square inch, 680 bar, which compresses the clamping springs and extends the rods 1/8 of an inch, approximately 3 millimeters. The clamping nuts are then fitted and tightened diagonally and evenly with a 2-foot ratchet or wrench to the torque value given in the operating instructions. The hydraulic pressure is then released, allowing the clamping spring force to be applied to the seal retainer, thus energizing the cap seal. The hydraulic pump can then be removed. Once this procedure has been carried out, no further tightening or even checking of the cap should be necessary until the next valve or strainer maintenance operation is required.
This is the first time we've used P-Quip liner retainers, although I'd used the pony rod connections before.